Well, if I may, kung maaari ko sigurong yung komento is, siguro kung yung Napoles cases nauwi dun sa halip na absuelto, kulong, baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking kurakot. Plunder yung mga kaso nun nakakulong na nga pero na-absuelto, na-release ng korte, pinakawalan ng ating hudikatura. So, ang dulo nito lahat naman hudikatura So, kung maaari, maging sinyales din sa hudikatura ng taong bayan pag nakitang mabagal ang hudikatura, baka pati sila irali ng ating mga kababayan.
Well said, Senator Pangilinan. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Just a very quick manifestation. For the record, there was no intention of maligning any individual. In the manifestation we said earlier during the committee hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee, wala pong personalan, gaya ng nabanggit ng butihing senador, wala po tayong pinangalanan. Humihingi tayo ng unawa. Dahil bago pa nung hearing na yon, tayo po ay humurap sa judiciary. At doon din na pag tinalakay at pinag-usapan ang problema ng conviction rates, particular ng Sandigan Bayan. 47% ang conviction rates ng Sandigan Bayan. Ibig sabihin sa bawat dalawang kaso, isa absuelto. That was the context, Mr. President, of our manifestation earlier. There was no intention of maligning any senator with that manifestation. For the record, Mr. President, and again, humihingi tayo ng unawa kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, wala pong personalan yung ating earlier manifestation. I hope he will understand.
Thank you, Senator Francis Pangilinan. Yes, you may respond.
Ang sabi po ni Senator Pangilinan, wala ho siyang binanggit na pangalan. Pero napaka-obvious naman po ang kanyang sinabi kanina dun sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Ang sabi niya, if I may quote, well, if I may, kung maaari ko siguro ikomento, siguro kung yung Napoles cases inauwi doon, halip na absuelto, kulong, baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking kurakot. Those were the words of Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sino ba ang pinatatamaan niya? Sino ba ang pinatatamaan mo? Di ba? It's very obvious that I was being alluded to. Remember, Mr. Senator Pangilinan, that I was acquitted by the court. Are you questioning the decision of the court acquitting this representation? You're a lawyer. I'm not. You shouldn't be talking that way. You are undermining the judicial process in our country. You being a member of the bar. Thank you, Mr. President.
May I ask a minute for suspension?
Majority Leader.
May I ask, very
Session is suspended.
President, our good gentleman from Bulacan, Senator Joel Villanueva, would like to be recognized, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, to our Majority Leader. Thank you. Mr. President, just a short manifestation. Earlier today, during the hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee, my name was once again mentioned by District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Mr. President, let me state this clearly at the very start. I am fully prepared to be investigated on these allegations. I have nothing to hide, and I welcome any inquiry that will bring out the truth. Mr. President, in fact, if we carefully review what transpired this morning, it was clear, very clear, from Mr. Alcantara's own statement that, number one, Mr. President, Mr. Alcantara said, hindi po ako nag-request ng kahit anong flood control project. Sinabi din po niya, wala po akong alam at hindi rin po ako kailanman sinabihan tungkol sa mga proyektong yan. Ang request po ng representasyong ito ay multipurpose buildings para sa aking mga kababayan sa Bulacan at hindi po flood control. Sinabi niya po yan. Sinabi rin po at inamin ni District Engineer Alcantara na may tulong daw siyang pinaabot pero hindi po sa akin, sabi po niya. At siya na rin po mismo ang nagsabi na wala po akong alam doon. Pero ayan, Mr. President, basta binanggit lang po yung pangalan natin, mentioned my name, operative word, mentioned. Mr. President, ano po ba ito? Masabi lang po yung pangalan natin at idadawit po tayo sa flood control issue kahit ang mismong testigo na ang nagsabi po na wala po akong alam. Mema lang, may masabi. I am ready, Mr. President, and my office is ready to be investigated, that the truth may come out. At katulad po ng pagdalo ko kanina, Ginoong Pangulo, sa ICI, nakahanda rin po akong bigyang linaw ang mga bagay na ito sa anumang forum o lugar at patunayan na mali, malisyoso at pawang kasinungalingan lamang ang ipinupukol po sa ating pangalan. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo.